Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered what's really up there? Besides, being made of cheese. Well, it turns out the moon is a giant, dusty time capsule. And the key to unlocking its secrets is something we leave behind every day. Our footprints. Back in 1969, Neil Armstrong took his famous one small step for man. And that footprint is still there today, perfectly preserved. How is that possible? It's not magic, it's science. The moon has practically no atmosphere. That means no wind to blow the dust around and no rain to wash things away. It's like a cosmic vacuum-sealed bag. On Earth, a footprint in the sand might last a few hours before the wind or the tide erases it. But on the moon, that footprint could last for millions of years. It's not just Armstrong's footprint.
Let's go explore!
Either. 12 astronauts from the Apollo missions walked on the moon between 1969 and 1972, and they all left their mark. Each step they took is a frozen moment in history, etched into the lunar dust, which is a fine, powdery substance called But footprints aren't the only things we left behind. The Apollo astronauts were like cosmic tourists who forgot to pack up their campsite. They left behind over 96 bags of, well, human waste. Yeah, you heard that right. But they also left more inspiring things. American flags, scientific equipment, lunar rovers, and even a photograph of astronaut Charles Duke's family wrapped in plastic and left on the surface. Think about it. There's a family photo sitting on the moon right there. They also left a golden olive branch as a symbol of peace and a plaque signed by the astronauts and President Nixon that reads, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon. July 1969 AD. We came in peace for all mankind." These aren't just pieces of junk. They're artifacts of a monumental human achievement. They form an incredible, accidental museum on the moon, telling the story of our first journey to another world. So, are these footprints and artifacts truly permanent? Well, almost. The moon isn't completely static. It's constantly being bombarded by tiny little specks of space dust that hit the surface like microscopic bullets over millions of years. This slow, steady sandblasting from space will eventually erode everything, including the footprints. But we're talking millions of years, a time frame that's hard to even imagine. There's another, more immediate threat, though. Us. With new missions to the moon being planned by NASA's Artemis program and other space agencies, we'll be going back soon. Future lunar rovers and rocket landings could kick up dust that might cover or disturb these historic sites. Imagine a new rocket landing too close to the Apollo 11 site and blowing away that iconic first footprint. Because of this, there's a growing conversation about preserving these locations. Organizations are proposing keep-out zones around the Apollo landing sites to protect them as part of our shared human heritage. It is a strange but wonderful problem to have figuring out how to do lunar archaeology and protect our own history on another world. So the next time you gaze up at that bright circle in the night sky, remember that it's not just a big, empty rock. It's a gallery, a museum, and a testament to human curiosity. Up there, frozen in time, are the footsteps of giants, the tools of pioneers, and a family photo waiting for our return. It's a reminder that sometimes the smallest marks can tell the biggest stories. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures into the unknown. See you next time.